Okay, we're back in the wood shop. My and Ava are hanging out with me for a little bit. Got the fire going. So yesterday I worked on this for quite a few hours, 3 or 4, and it's tedious. It's no question. It's not easy. It just doesn't come together. It takes some thought, patience. The trickiest part is I'm screwing them in from the bottom side. So the hard part is on the outer edge you can clamp them and then do it. But if it's in about 4 inches, I basically have to hold them after I put the holes in first, like right here. I'll put a hole in here, and then I need to hold this down, which in this case it'll be the last one, so it'll be easier. And then pre-drill it from the bottom and then screw it in from the bottom. But these 4 need to be put in too, so I'll have to do each of these. I'm keeping the stone out because if I leave it in there, I can't get it out. So I'm leaving them in until I have the last piece, like this piece, so it'll fit in there and I can get it out. Because my goal is to linseed oil all this wood and this edge here. But I'd like to tongue oil the stone, and then the question is, do I do my 2 coats on this? I probably do, and then I'll have to put a few drops of silicone in here and then put the stone piece in. Now this is not in yet. It's not fastened in the painting. I'm keeping it out here. I hate to get it dirty or dust on it, but I need it to make sure I fit everything right. And not too tight, but close. So eventually I will be able to pull this out, and then I'll oil everything without the painting and without the stone pieces in there. But we still got quite a bit to do. This part is all good here, but then we need to finish this up, this whole area, that whole area. This piece is just sitting there. I'd like to use that piece. It's a really cool curly maple. You can see the curliness to it. Plus it's got those mineral stains in there, so it's a really cool piece. So I'd like to fit that in someplace. Okay, so it's going to take quite a bit more time, several hours. May not even finish it today, but I'm going to keep working on it. It's big enough I need to complete it. I don't have room in my shop to just set it aside and come back at it later. So I really, really want to stay focused on this and get this thing all ready, and then I can start oiling and do the next few steps to it. But I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. It's not as easy as I thought, maybe, laying things out so it has the right feel. But I think this is going to be a successful one. I think it's going to look pretty cool. Okay, let's get to it. Get some music on and get putting these pieces in.